Hi everyone, today I'm packing a customer order. It's been a while since I've done a video like this. For the first time, I've got two cameras going. We've got YouTube and we've got TikTok. I thought I would start posting on TikTok as well, but to be honest, I really do like YouTube. That's where all my tutorials are. So if you are watching this on TikTok, please do come over to YouTube. That's where you'll find all my jewelry tutorials and everything else that I do. So this customer took advantage of my discount offer, which is currently 10% off of a £10 spend. We've got gorgeous gemstone beads, colourful glass beads, decorative wooden beads, and plenty of jewellery making inspiration in this order. So let's see what they picked out. If you're looking for quality craft and jewellery making supplies, visit my website and discover your next favourite supplies today. My website is, the majority is aimed at those that are new to craft and jewellery making, so you can buy in small quantities, although I will be getting, for an example, bead strand and doing more of a discount for bulk orders, so watch this space. So this lovely customer bought 113 items, which was £38.50. The 10% offer was £3.85, so that came off of their order, and then they chose first class postage. That was £4.50 because of the weight. I will actually be sending this track 24, so in total £39.15, and they saved £3.85 on the order. So first of all, I purchased these Christmas time, and I basically list them, and unless somebody orders them, they go away and I don't see them again unless I'm looking for a bit of inspiration. And I forgot how beautiful they are. Now, as soon as I saw these today, I thought cherry, add cherry charms. It could be watermelon, the red and green. So these are 8mm, two-tone red and green crackle beads, and they ordered 4 packs of those. I do like those. That has given me an idea for some jewellery. So that's those. What was next? I'm looking at the packing slip. Next we have pink tiger's eye gemstone beads, 8mm. 20 of those. Those are lovely. Next we have labradorite gemstone beads. Again, these are 8mm. Some do have the flash of blue. I'm not sure if you can see. What projects are you working on at the moment? Do let me know in the comments below, because I'm nosy, because I do like to know what you're working on. Next we have some, they do like their 8mm. These are brown 8mm glass beads. These are lovely. I think these are great for when you do autumn jewellery. These are two-tone, grey, obviously two-tone grey and brown. Next we've got the blue tiger's eye, again in 8mm. I have added a clearance section on the website last night, and again tonight, carrying forward, I will be going through and adding things to the section. Then we've got 20 black lava beads. These are great, especially for aromatherapy oils, perfumes. They soak them up. As you can see, I've got them in this bracelet. This is a tutorial I'm going to be doing as well, showing you how I made this. Next we've got amethyst. ideally need them on white so you can see better. Next we have Tiger's Eye. We've got 28mm Tiger's Eye. Very popular bead in jewellery making. Then we've got, these are, let me get them out to show you, like a tribal bead. Lovely colours. I like the zebra. Should I say zebra? I watch so many. I watch more US TV than I do UK, and I'm starting to say zebra instead of zebra. So that's the wooden beads. Now these I want to show you. You may think this is expensive, £8. These are 8mm silver beads. They are surgical stainless steel solid round ball beads, and they're 8mm. And it's 6 for £2, which was £8. Obviously with a 10% discount, they saved 80p off of those. And you may think, why surgical steel? So surgical steel beads are highly popular in jewellery making because they are incredibly durable, hypoallergenic, and they are affordable. They retain a brilliant tarnish-free mirror shine without requiring constant polishing. So unlike sterling silver, surgical steel will not oxidize or turn black over time. It holds up well against sweat, bodily fluids and water. Now I like it as well because it's highly durable. It's tough, it's scratch resistant metal that will not bend or easily deform, so ensuring your jewellery designs last. If you take this bracelet, if you're anything like me, I'm forever hitting the side, catching my wrist, hitting the side, and over time these beads will bend out of shape. They will do. They will do. They're hollow. They're hollow. They're not solid, unlike these. So these are great. They do have a weight to them, so you wouldn't be able to put lots on earrings or anything like that. And I've got these in 4mm and 6mm. So that was a customer order. I do hope you like this video. Perhaps you're nosy like me to see what people are buying. I would love to see what this person makes. I don't know them personally well enough to say, please show me what you've made. Hopefully they'll come back and order more, and as time goes on I can get to know maybe I can get to know the customer. I was talking to one of you yesterday. Someone likes the bead frames. I've got lots of different bead frames, and they really do make a plain bracelet. They really do add some dimension to your bracelets, and this customer absolutely loves the bead frames. So I am going to go and pack this order and take it to the post box. If you haven't already, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I have got lots of jewelry tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewelry beginner. And if you can leave a comment down below, it can be absolutely anything within reason. Emojis, what country you're watching me from, how are you, what type of crafts do you do, what current projects are you working on. So you know, some ideas. It just helps the YouTube algorithm see the interactions, and then they share my videos out to more people, so it helps my little channel grow. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. Take care, and as always, happy crafting.